Right, before this actually kicks in, I just want to say, I'm a shit MC, I couldn't give a fuck, and I don't even MC. I just say loads of random shit and I think it sounds good. So if you've got a problem, fuck off. Yes, yes. Water crew coming through, massive respect the front crew. And one of you are gonna fucking rock you. When I woke up, I found me got my lying on the floor. And I was there, got the fucking check the front door. There's two men standing there, one had a chip. Oh my god, what the fuck's me now I gonna live? One of the blokes said to me, come in little bus. I wish that you fucking mug, I chuck it in a bush. You kill me now, I kill me gonna, I can kill yours. Next thing you know, I kick it down the doors. Smack, crack, cannabis, cocaine, weed. That was me nana, kick it up at speed. She couldn't afford a drunk, so they knocked on the door. Next thing you know, she's not there anymore. I polished up, I want the top, I got my job, I see Gingey rock his fragrance, and now she is a dead, hit the floor, hit the ceiling, did you fuck me how you think, in the D, not my dog, taking good his part. What I did, what if I did, look what you have my life, took it down the graffiti, what did I see? PC, Joycey staring at me, standing on the corner, I ran the fucking over, FC, Louis V's got a little rover, he is a fucking jobber, yeah, I've got a water, and if you're in the way, he'll fucking run it over. The neck in LSD, and this is what it does. It gives me some sort of dirty stinking buzz. I'm gonna dilate, you know I'm feeling great. MC, Gingey's never gonna stay up late. 25th of June 2011, that's where I made the next week 10-11. I'm playing hit a room, a house went boom, haha. Yes, yes. I found a little car, it was a blue maker. I took it down the lanes to set it on fire. I couldn't give a fuck what you say. I can't MC, but guess what? Who gives a shit? 2 1 2. Yes, yes. Bit of a what that? £2.55. I'm gonna fucking rock this mic on this mic once again. Gingey's head's like a flame.